All right, guys, I'm about to show you how to make some pour over coffee with my favorite coffee method. You can see it doesn't take up that much counter space. It was only $20, so you can click my Amazon link to get the same one. You don't need a gooseneck kettle. You could just use a regular one. We just have a couple of pieces here. We have the filter. Everything is dishwasher safe. We have the actual carafe that holds the coffee, and we have a little scoop for our coffee. 3 scoops because I feel like that's the perfect amount for me to get that nice coffee feeling of jitteriness to get me through the day. All right, the water is ready. You just pour it slowly over. Pour it in a circular motion. And it smells great. I promise you, it smells amazing. Great. This is a perfect amount for me in the morning. So here's the next thing. You take the filter out, have this little stop, stick it in there like that. Just pour it in there. You can see, look at that beautiful color. It smells amazing. This thing is pretty awesome. I recommend it. Thanks for watching, and please hit like and subscribe to see more videos from me.